Saya membuka.
Ya, betul. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce my team, yaitu Nexus Mechano Wheel four-wheel drive. Okay, this is a team of Nexus Mechano Wheel four-wheel drive. Uh, my name is Serius Broto Nenggolan as a programming.
My name is Gagah Muhammad Farel. I am mechanical.
I'm Santa as electrical.
My name Laksmana Faizal as a programming.
Okay, this is about the background Nexus Robot Mechano Wheel four-wheel drive. Nexus Robot Mechano Wheel four-wheel drive has developed in response to the need for robots that are able to move dynamically and in all conditions, with the support of Ergonom Motor DC, as well the integration of Arduino Mega and Jetson Nano for the AI. The project is an ideal tool on the development of motion control system and exploring of autonomous technology. The urgency of this project need for to understanding and implement complex robotic system directly while preparing to challenge of industry 4.0 on automation, AI, and robotic. And what the stage of project work? System requirement and planning is the main component. Is a motor DC, wheel, board, power supply, and maybe Jetson Nano, sensor ultrasonic, and then designing the robot structure and wiring schematic. And then robot assembly, the mechanical component is frame, wheel, and motor, and installation of Arduino Mega, motor driver, and Jetson Nano. About the programming and testing is programming the motion control system in Arduino, manual motion, test forward, backward, left, right, and diagonal, simulation of Jetson Nano concept for autonomous development. And then evaluation and documentation, evaluation of stability, speed, and motion response, report documentation, and presentation of result. Next. This is the research of mechanical, electrical, and programming. In mechanical, Gaga explain about the research.
Mechanical redesign 3D, revise assembly part of the design, such as small part, fabrication of electrical component support, assembly component, and part using acrylic.
Okay, research project of electrical, Dea has explained.
Yeah, the first of research is electrical and add Jetson Nano, then create a wiring schematic, and then complete wiring for all components.
Research project as programming, create program to drive the robot, public and subscribe communication on Jetson, installing the package on Jetson,
Mechanical project, the mechanical benchmark aim to evaluate the design quality and physical perform of the robot, especially in terms of frame strike, uh, precision of mechanism wheel installation, and stability during movement. This assessment is important to ensure that the mechanical structure is able to optimally support omnidirectional maneuver without experience physical disturbance such as excessive vibration, friction, or imbalance.
Okay, next for electrical project is it wiring of the component, and the electrical is ensure entire electrical system the robot works stably, efficient, and safely for during operation. And then the electrical component include power supply, step down converter, motor driver, microcontroller, and mini computer, all of which interconnect and dependent on consistent power supply. Okay, next, this is the flowchart and will explain of our team.
Okay, this is the system function and flowchart. Jetson Nano sends movement commands forward, backward, left, right, and rotate via serial communication to Arduino Mega, which functions as an actuator controller, which regulates the work of the motor according to the commands received from Jetson. Arduino Mega control for DC motor strokes to L2 L298N motor driver. The DC motor will drive the mechanism wheel so that the robot can move in any direction according to the command pattern.
Okay, this is the program project. The main part of the program aspect is to evaluate the performance of the robot control system, manual mode run using Arduino Mega, and in semi-autonomous mode control through JSON Nano. This evaluation is important to ensure the program created is able to execute robot movement command accurately, responsively, and stability according to the logic that has been designed. Maybe this is the next complete the project is maybe we add the manual control. So we use remote control. Command are sent from the physical joystick, Android app, or control interface like via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or serial communication. The Arduino Mega receive the command signal from the controller and instantly set the motor direction according to the user input. Robot will move in any direction according to desired control direction. For the example, pressing the left arrow, okay, robot turn left, and if we pressing the right arrow, robot turn right, and then if we press arrow up K, so robot goes to forward, and then sorry, and then if pressing the down arrow K, so robot goes backward. Okay, next. So this is the demonstration of Robot Nexus. So basically, I program the simple program because we just demonstration the Robot Nexus, how to Robot Nexus is work, and then for the next project maybe maybe we add a sensor or camera for the robot, and the system is not semi-autonomous. We change the system demonstration of Nexus is autonomous because we use camera or LiDAR or ultrasonic sensor. Maybe that's all we can presentation about the Nexus 4-wheel drive mechanism wheel. Thank you for the presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.